Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Briaco, the Angelic Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks for joining me. Just had a very powerful meditation at home. You can hear the thunder in the background there. So I was hosting a meditation, and I was indoors, and you hear the tool workings in the background. That's a message to you that you have all the tools you need within you to help you to carry out all your life's missions and to get through everything you need to throughout this life. And that is the truth. Everything is by design. So I was inside hosting the meditation, and I got the card to come outside and to enjoy nature. So that's what I did. I came outside, and it was raining. So we connected with the water and allowed the water to wash away any heaviness, any stress, any anxieties. So that's what we focused on doing. So that's what I encourage you to do every time it rains. Just allow that rain to come down and focus on letting go of all those old energies, those old patterns, anything that's weighing you down, letting that water wash it all away. And then opening up to that water and receiving that rain, that life-giving energy in the water to empower you. So that's what I was talking about during the meditation. That's what I was channeling. And then it started to thunder. So I thought it was pretty cool. And the messages that were coming through were that it was thundering to remind you of your inner strength, your inner power. It was a message to let yourself open up and to roar, to let your voice be heard, to let your inner fire be felt, to remind yourself how powerful you are, how much energy you have within you, that you are unlimited, and you are more powerful than the thunder even. So it's pretty powerful to have that meditation and to hear that thunder in the background and to channel that message of encouragement, that not to be afraid of that thunder, not to be afraid of your inner strength, your inner power. You are a powerful being, and that thunder is there to remind you to use your inner power, to use your inner strength, and not be afraid of embracing it and using it for your greatest good and the good of all. And the other message was that no matter what you go through, no matter what you're faced with, it's all for your growth, it's all for your development. And that thunder, that strength, that energy within you, you will find a way through it all, through any challenges, through any obstacles. And they will make you stronger and better, more love-filled and light-filled. And that's why you're experiencing them, for your growth, for your development. And then we connected with the trees. And that's what we talked about, growing like that tree, developing like that tree, persevering like that tree, being connected with the earth, spreading out our energy, and just always focusing on growth and finding a way through. And just like that tree, letting go of what you don't need, releasing the seasons that ask you to release, to let go of whatever's not serving you, to prepare for the new season to come, knowing that greater days are on the horizon, that you'll be provided with everything you need. And then we were looking up at the sky as the rain was coming down just a little bit. And then all of a sudden, as you can see behind me, the sun started to emerge. So as I was channeling this meditation of always persevering, always growing, always finding a way that you have everything you need within you, the sun came out. to light our path and to remind us that we will get through the heaviness and the challenges, and that brighter days lay ahead. Even though it may be cloudy sometimes, challenging sometimes, the light always prevails. The light always finds a way, and the light will come again. The light will shine again for you. The sun will shine for you. And it'll awaken your inner light, because that's what you are, is light. So it's pretty fitting and pretty magical how it just goes to show you, trust the messages you get. Trust yourself and trust whatever comes to you. And if you're guided to go outside, then go outside. If you're guided to do whatever it is that you're guided to do, it comes from a place of love. Just trust it and know that it's there to help you. So then, as you can see, everything works out in divine order. Beautiful message. So let this remind you that you will persevere. You always have and you always will. You are stronger than you realize. Every time you hear the thunder, let it remind you of that. Embrace that inner strength. Know that you are getting stronger every day. Your challenges are making you stronger every day. More love-filled, more life-filled. And pretty soon, your day in the sun will come. Your light will shine through. Look at that. Know it to be true. Your day in the sun is coming. In fact, it's here. So enjoy your day in the sun and find that light within you, even amongst the darkness. And when it gets really dark out, know that that's your time to be that light. It's always your time to be that light, especially when you don't see that light. You can be your own light. You can find that light within you because it's there, and you will help to light the path for yourself and for others. And just take some time gathering up all these beautiful messages, all these truths, because they are all true. What a beautiful design. And just remember all these messages, because they are the truth. You are stronger than you realize. Better days are on the way. You are healing. Things are coming up to be healed. Keep allowing yourself to heal and release and process, and allow more healing energy, more healing light to come in. Releasing the old, letting it all go, making room for the new. Finding a way through, using your tools to find a way through, knowing that you have everything you need within you to get through. And then eventually your light, your day in the sun, will emerge. God bless you all. Thank you for coming and sharing and listening, and all my love and light to you.